WoPet was founded in 2015 and committed to making the safest, most pet-friendly pet feeding supplies and accessories in the industry. Our goal is to bring the innovative, convenient products to the market that enhance the joys of pet ownership by taking care of the pet easier and by positively impacting the pet's daily life. Hi baby,
How are you? Do you want a treat?
And now many caring cat, dog and rabbit owners are empowered to maintain a healthy, consistent, stress-free diet for their pets. We listen to every pet parent's concerns and devote to developing products that make our customers feel that they can love their pets any.
Yeah, sweet as the morning, waking up with you by my side. New day is dawning to brighten up the darkness of night. Oh yeah, knew that this day would come and a song would be sung that you're mine, singing. You are the one, you are the one for me. You are the one, ooh, you are the one for me, yeah.
Introducing the Zillion Shiatsu Pillow Massager. The Shiatsu Massager has 2 different settings for ultimate relaxation: massage and heat and just massage. Hold down the button for 3 seconds to turn it off. The massager is easy to use. Just ensure that the connections are tight. You should hear a click, then just plug it into a home outlet or a car socket. The Shiatsu Massager has an ultra-slim ergonomic design which contours perfectly around lower and upper back, neck, abdomen, calf, and thigh areas. The massage motors are also very powerful to ensure a deep massage. Now sit back, relax, and let the Zillion Shiatsu Pillow Massager relieve all your aches, knots, and muscle tension.